The secret to being a great paramedic year after year isn't knowing your protocols inside and out or staying up to date on training. The true secret is kindness. My name's Matt, and I've been working as a California paramedic and first responder for nearly 10 years. And during that time, I have seen an unimaginable amount of suffering, much of which you can never train for. But one of the most discouraging things that I've realized is just how few people are prepared to handle a crisis. As someone who is deeply passionate about public health and personal safety, the fact that nearly half the people listening to me right now do not own a first aid kit, let alone have any first aid or CPR training, this is truly unacceptable to me. So I decided to do something about it. The Paramedic-approved first aid kits were built with three main factors in mind: quality, functionality, and affordability. I customized a small, medium, and large size kit so that no matter your circumstances, there's a kit for you. Each kit is highly organized with individual labels for every item so that you can save critical time when it matters most. They're also made out of high quality materials that will stand the test of time and give you peace of mind as the years go by. And because I truly believe that a person's bank account should not limit their ability to access proper medical care, I've priced these kits so that everyone can afford one. Ultimately, my goal is to start a movement in which everyone, men, women, young, old, first responder, and general public unite with the common cause of practicing extreme kindness towards one another. Because ultimately, that's what we do as first responders. We practice kindness towards our patients in extreme situations. And on any given day, you might be called upon to help in a crisis. So here's where you come in. Whether you're a first responder like myself or someone with a passion for helping others, become a part of this movement with me so that we can all live in a world with more confidence, compassion, and kindness. Thank you.